Hey there! Are you confused on what kind of tiles you should buy for your home? Worry no more. Welcome to AllHome, your one-stop shop for your home. You can visit our stores to see the actual product or check out our wood planks online at www.allhome.com.ph. Today, we'll be talking about the best alternative for hardwood flooring. Wood planks, also known as engineered wood. Now, why are they the best alternative? Well, simply because wood planks are easy to install, water-resistant, affordable, have quality texture, and the best part is DIY installation. Are you wondering what they're made of? They're made out of natural wood. That's why wood planks are anti-scratching, water-resistant. The designs and color don't fade, and they're safe for children. The price of a wood plank is more affordable than hardwood. Nevertheless, the quality is still high class despite the lower price. The quality of wood plank actually matches the quality of hardwood. It's definitely a steal, right? So there you go. We also have these on Shopee and Lazada. Thanks for watching!